All right, real quick, how's everyone doing? I'm Rich Celenza. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm actually in the LA Fitness on Colonial Drive on 50. They basically call this the downtown LA Fitness or the Milk District LA Fitness. Now, I've done a video here before, a gym tour, but from what I heard, they redone the entire gym through the pandemic, or even maybe before it. I haven't been here. So I just thought I would do a quick gym tour through here. I've been putting up a lot of LA Fitness videos through the pandemic, kind of giving you all the different rules and regulations, but since they revamped this gym, I thought I would just give you another tour. I'm gonna go through it for the first time, so let's check it out. This is what their pool area looks like. This is a great spot because I like that they have 4 lanes. A lot of pools only have 3 lanes in LA Fitness, but I might go inside there, but their jacuzzi's closed because of obviously coronavirus, but this is what looked all new to me from a distance. So they look like they have a little CrossFit training area here now. They didn't have this before. They've definitely, as I'm looking to the right of the equipment and to the left, they've definitely opened this up, which is sweet. Much better. Truthfully, it smells a lot better in here. I hate to say it, this was kind of known in Orlando as one of the gyms that did not always smell very good, but totally revamped it. The floors look great. This looks great. So yeah, let's walk through here and check this out. Kind of got a whole kettleball area now. Tires. Yeah. I don't think people mind me videotape it anymore because they all have masks on. Something kind of cool. All right. So yeah, to the right is all the, they have a lot of different equipment here, like their Matrix hammer strength. Their gym here, because of the pandemic, they have all the cycling, Stairmasters, ellipticals, stuff like that, all in here. This gym was always kind of a smaller style gym compared to most LA Fitness, and like I said, maybe I didn't say it, this was the first LA Fitness in Orlando that I remember. It definitely had to be revamped, to be truthfully. It wasn't in very good shape, but here's the racquetball. This is all the same, but this, the way it's lined up, is much better. The way all the treadmills are, Stairmasters, everything. So let's kind of take a walk through here. Yeah, this looks nice, much better. Floors, clean. I don't remember if this was in here or not. I want to say no. So this looks really nice. Cycling. I may come in here and warm up. I noticed they have a smoothie spot. Now, they used to have a smoothie spot here before, but I don't remember if it looked like this. I presume it hasn't changed, but so yeah, a lot of Life Fitness, treadmills, a lot of Life Fitness, cycles. All right, so back actually around the entrance. So, yeah, so here's a bunch of ab stuff I saw coming in as well. Much better. Jeez. I love the way this gym's laid out, actually. It's cool. Then we go into some biceps. Yeah, but it looks like some of this stuff's new. They had a lot of older equipment here. Let's kind of jump in the equipment area here and see what they got. You know, typical Matrix hammer strength for the most part, like a lot of LA Fitnesses. Got the little stretching area over here. This is kind of the same. Used to stretch there, but they've definitely opened all this up. Yeah, a ton of Life Fitness cable crossovers, some ab stuff. Yeah, way better. Man, is this better. I can't even explain how much better. Yeah, I like this. It's clean, it's mint. All right. One thing that looks pretty similar is, I don't think they've changed much of this up. And if you want to hear about any of my other videos regarding what's going on regarding LA Fitness during the pandemic, you could do that. Now this area looks the same, except with the exception of this. This equipment's all new. Kind of walk through here for you. Then I'll go into the free weight area. So yeah, this is all totally different. Yeah, a bunch of pullbacks, but let's see here. Yeah, looks like a lot of the equipment's newer. Definitely newer. But this has always been the free weight area. It's just great. Man, I'm excited to come back here. A lot of times I'd be downtown, and there's another one near the airport too. What's it on Conway? I think that's the one I'd go to because that got revamped. But this was really the old one that never really was, you know, really that good. Now this one looks dope. All right, nice. This is all 100% new. I guess you could call it deadlifting area. Got a bunch of Rogue hammer strengths. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, I think you only go to 100 pounds here in the dumbbells. It's still good. Yeah, I like it. A couple inclines, shoulder presses behind me. Yeah, Smiths 2. I think they always had 2 here. Yeah, I like this. That's all new. That's really about it. Nice. You did a great job here. I'm shocked. Yeah, let's walk through here one last time, give you another angle. Got a couple bags hanging. I think I'm going to use this as a photo, but another angle here if you like CrossFit or these type of workouts. A bunch of different cardio stuff. So there you go. That is the new updated LA Fitness on Colonial Drive near downtown. It's across from, what is that? I want to say it's called Colonial Plaza Mall. It's across from there. It's near 50 and Primrose. But yeah, here's the gym. If you get a chance, you might want to check out my other gym tours or other things I've been doing related to LA Fitness online on my page. But I'm on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. I have a podcast, The Rich Celenza Show. WTF are you talking about? So that's all I got for you. Take care and stay healthy.